Welcome to Mansage. Namaste, I'm Manali Sijal Upadhyay. I'm independent energy distributor from Gujarat, India. Today I will show you how to deep clean Kangen machine model SD501 and Junior 2. Today I will show you demo regarding the SD501 deep cleaning. So let's see how to deep clean the SD501. Today I will show you deep cleaning process on this model of Kangen machine Levelook SD501. Have a look at this machine. Step 1. Remove the plug of the machine and do not plug in the machine till the deep cleaning process is running. Step 2. Remove electrolysis enhancer just by sliding it outwards. So, if the machine moves, then no problem occurs. Step 3. Remove the filter. Just slide out this black lid and remove the filter. Unlock this ring. After unlocking this ring, you can see here ring came out. Now remove this filter. Check that these black O-rings are on the filter only. Now you can see here the CPU N, you can see here. Now place the CPU on the place of filter. Now lock it. You can see it got locked. Step 4. Remove the white ball. Move machine downwards. Keep it in a slanted position. Now you can see here two pipes. One white pipe and one grey pipe. We have to use the white pipe. You can see here the nozzle of the white pipe. In this, the white ball is there. Unlock this nozzle. You can see here inside the white ball. We have to remove it. Just tilt the machine and the ball will come out. Now you can see here this white ball. Keep that white ball on a safe place. Now again lock the white nozzle. Now you can see the white nozzle got locked. Now again place the machine on its original place. Step 5. Pour hot water cleaning powder in a container. You can see here I have taken two mugs, one with hot water and another is empty. We will pour 4 sachets of Energy Company's cleaning powder in this mug. You can see I am filling this mug with this cleaning powder. You can see here the cleaning powder in this mug. Now pour this cleaning powder in a container. You can even take bucket or a container with a similar size of a bucket. Now pour hot water. Now pour 1 liter of tap water. We have already filled this bottle with the tap water in advance. Step 6. You can see here submersible pump. It is used in fountain and air coolers. It is of 18 watt. It is easily available in the market. Have a look at this pump. It is easily available at the price of around 400 rupees. You can see here the wire of the submersible pump is short of around 2 foot. So you can see we have purchased male-female pin for the extension. You can see here this wire is long of around 2 meters. You can easily connect this both the wire with this. You can purchase this from any electric shop. Step 7. This is garden hose pipe. You can see it is of around 2 foot. Its diameter is 1/2. You can purchase it from any hardware shop. We have to place this garden hose pipe on the submersible pump. You can see here how I am placing this pipe on the submersible pump. It got fit with the submersible pump. Step 8. Connect this white inlet pipe. You can see here the white inlet pipe with this garden hose pipe like this. You can see it got fit here. Step 9. Place the submersible pump in the container. If this submersible pump does not get properly submerged in the water in the container, then you can add tap water as much as required to submerge this submersible pump. Step 10. Place the container below the white flexible faucet of the machine. Now you can see here the grey pipe of strong acidic water. Place that pipe also in the container. Step 11. Plug in the submersible pump. Switch it on. It will work like this. Now let this deep cleaning process work till 1 hour as per the energy company. Now I will explain you regarding the process of this deep cleaning. You can see here the water in the container. Water in this container will move from the submersible pump via this white inlet pipe into the machine. The water from the white flexible faucet and grey pipe will fall in this container again. This process will continue till 1 hour of deep cleaning process timings. Now 1 hour has completed, so switch off the submersible pump. Remove the plug. Separate white inlet pipe and the garden hose pipe. You can see here I have separated these both the pipes. Remove the submersible pump from the container. Remove grey pipe also and keep container aside. Attach white inlet pipe again with the tap water supply. It got connected. Now on the cock and let the CPU stay at its own place only. Allow the water to flow for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, off the cock of the tap water. Now keep machine downwards. We have to again place the white ball in the machine. Keep machine slant. Remove the white nozzle. Keep white ball inside here in the machine. See it does not get fall. Now again lock the nozzle. Now again keep the machine on its original place. Now let's start placing the parts again in the machine. Let's first place the electrolysis enhancer. Cover its lid. Now remove the lock, then CPU. Place the filter on its original place. Lock it. Cover it with the black lid. Wash the CPU after the usage under the tap water completely. And let it air dry. Then only keep it at a safe place. Now again plug in the machine. Switch it on. You can see the machine has started. On the cork and let the water flow. Now the machine is ready for the usage. So here you saw how to deep clean the Kangen machine SD501 and Junior 2 model. Deep clean the Kangen machine at least once a year and e-clean machine once in a month, and if there is more usage then twice a month. So if you have any query or suggestion regarding this video, then you can comment here below. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Mansage. If you want to see my videos regarding Kangen water or water related, then you can check out my channel Mansage. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.